Hey guys, this is Jason from Welping Model WP160C. Today I'd like to show you one of our most popular manual body welding machine, the WP160C. It has a welding range from 63 to 160 millimeters. A set of manual welding machine consists of three main parts: the frame, also called the carriage, the cutter, also named trimmer or facer, and the heating plate. Now let's take a look at the frame part, which best represents our design style. It consists of two steel side plates with 6 millimeters wall thickness, two steel square tubes, four chromed shafts connected to the side plates with several flange stubbers, and four clamping kits. The base structure is integrally welded, which guarantees the rigidity, sturdiness, non-deformation, and reliability. When we take a closer look, the connecting parts are beautiful and strong. We attribute the most outstanding performance of the machine to the double-sided gear transmission structure. As you can see, the rotation is quite smooth and stable, benefiting from its unique design. We have been consistently receiving positive feedback from our customers about their experience, especially after comparing it with other conventional welders. Now it's the turn of the clamping kits. The two on the left are fixed, and the remaining two are free to move. Each clamping kit consists of two parts. The lower part is in a fixed position, while the upper one is able to be turned over to install pipes. The four clamping kits work together to fix, align, and move pipes. All of them are made of die-cast aluminum. They are light but strong. In addition, our die-casting machine is in our workshop on the first floor. They retain enough flexibility for us to arrange production. I will take another opportunity to introduce our production capacity, just like the laser cutting, die casting, and CNC machining. See you next time. Thank you.